you have a truck, then that's what they can do. They can just pour the whole thing in the truck. Nice place. So if you're in Las Vegas, come to Viragrow. Save a lot of money on your garden. Hello everyone, welcome to OK Solution. So the sign's upside down. This is Viragrow in Las Vegas. You can buy all kinds of soil for your garden, like super cheap. So over there, those are all the compost mix. It has animal manure and mixed with leaves and all kinds of wonderful things for your garden. So it's about 70% compost. Over here, this is the much better stuff. It has seaweed, rock dust, mineral, perlite, wood chips, all organic compost made from leaves and trees and so on. So that pile over there is what I have, and those are the mulch and the wood chip that you see over here. See, those are the wood chip. So that pile right there, I asked for it. It was $75 for 1 yard. So I took about half of it, and this is what's left of it. So it's a really good grade. That's perlite, rock dust mineral, wood chip, organic compost, seaweed, all the wonderful things. So if you need wood chip, well, they have that. It's really cheap. They also have this type. This is more broken down one. Okay. And this is much bigger pieces, kind of broken down. Better than Home Depot, Lowe's, or Walmart, because those are sitting in the back and it's been heating in the sun. All the microbacteria and beneficial fungus, a lot of them has died. So this is fresh, you know. This is alive. So when you buy it and you use it for your garden, you know, you can start right away. They also have sand. So I will show you how I do it. Okay, so I just get a little bucket like that and plastic bag you get at the grocery store, but I bought them from Costco for a big box of it. It's very cheap, and you just fill it up like that. It's easier if you do it like this than to do a very big one, and then you just fill it into all the little container. See, I use a wooden cardboard right here. This is much easier to transport. If you use a big bag like that, then a lot of time it may rip or it may be too heavy. So this is the easier way to do it. So I just did half a yard. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This morning I went to Viragrow and I got about 64 bags of soil, and I put them in the grocery bag so it's easier to transport so it doesn't break. And I had about 64 bags, actually 65 bags, but this one is a smaller one. And so they're about 9 pounds each. So I timed it out, it's about 576 pounds. It's top grade soil, it's organic, it's made from wood chip, seaweed, rock dust mineral, perlite, and I'm pretty sure they add some other good stuff in it too. So a yard is about 75 bucks. So I only got half a yard, and that's only including tax, it's about $40. So not bad. The soil is great for your garden. It has wood chips, so over time it's going to break down, and your soil, your worm, and it's going to use it, you know. So it become fertilizer in the long run. So this is good stuff. Topsoil you can buy. If you're in Las Vegas, visit Viragrow. save some money. You get really high grade soil for your garden. They have some cheap one too, like compost one, or the one you buy from Home Depot and Lowe's. Some of the low grade one, they're a little bit cheaper. This is all organic stuff, top of the line. It's good for your garden, you know. If you don't live in Las Vegas, I'm pretty sure there's a place in your hometown, HOA, you know how they do the maintenance and the bushes, and they have a place to dump them, and the government just recycle them and sell it to the public. Doesn't matter where you live, there's always a place. You gotta check it out. The best thing to do is just call your HOA, and then they can give you some information where the landscaper goes to dump the leaves and stuff that they trim from your common area. That's how I found out about it when I live in Tucson, Arizona. It's called Think Green. It's a great place too, just like Viragrow. So thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe, tell your friend. Have a nice day. See you in the next video. Bye now.